Both the public and scientists in the global health system need to know the origins of COVID.
And many leaders at the 2021 G7 summit agree. U.S. President Joe Biden launched an investigation in late May after a World Health Organization study failed to provide any definitive answers due to what they say was a lack of data from China. The timeline for Biden's new investigation, 90 days.
I think the 90-day duration is strategically designed so that it's enough time to put pressure by other countries on the Chinese government to be more forthcoming.
Health policy expert Ahmed Firas Khalid says the truth needs to come to light in order to avoid another pandemic and to better understand virus transmissibility. Now, even though the WHO's limited report called the lab leak theory, quote, extremely unlikely, Ryerson University's James Thiessen says it should not be called a conspiracy either.
Given the evidence we have now, or given the lack of evidence we have now, you can't dismiss either hypothesis. There are reports that, yes, particularly H1N1 had happened. It's happened before.
That was in 1977. Research from University of California, San Diego backed a theory that it may have escaped from a lab. So, a COVID-19 lab leak may be possible, though Thiessen and Khalid highly doubt it would have been anything other than an accident. In light of the Biden administration's investigation, Facebook has decided to no longer remove posts that claim COVID-19 was man-made. Now, while some say this may perpetuate misinformation on the site, social media expert Richard Latchman says given the fact that the investigation is still ongoing, Facebook's decision was only fair.
As we are getting evolving news stories that change as more and more information comes, it makes sense that an organization like Facebook would change.
Both health experts agree the investigation is for public good. But despite that, political expert David Shannon says the U.S. may reap some benefit if it actually discovers how COVID-19 originated.
I think that it will reassert a long-standing international preeminence for American science. And I think Biden is conscious of that.
Nuri Ibrahim, Global News.